night that I was married, and in my marriage bed up comes the bold sea captain and stood at my bed head, saying, "Arise, arise, young wedded man, and come along with me to the lowlands of Holland for to fight the enemy. Oh, Holland is a lovely land, and in it grows fine grain. It is a place of residence for soldiers to remain, where sugar cane grows plentiful and tea grows on each tree. I never had but the one sweetheart, and he's far away from me." Said the mother to the daughter, "Leave off your sore lament. There's men enough in Galway to be your heart's content. There's men enough in Galway, but alas, there's none for me. Since the high winds and the stormy seas have parted my love and me." The stormy winds began to blow, the seas did loudly roar, and the captain nor his gallant ship were never seen no more. I'll wear no stays around my waist or combs all in my hair, a handkerchief around my neck to hide my beauty fair, and neither will I marry again until the day I die. Since the high winds and the stormy seas have parted my love and I. The stormy winds began to blow, the seas did loudly roar, and the captain